Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel Dashi Villa. This is Geeta, and today's video is all about like study with me. So why I just want to do this video because my exams are around the corner and I feel like I have some tips to share, so that's the reason I just want to make sure to give you all the tips. If you have exams like me, then if you don't know these ideas, then you cannot ace the exam. So that's the reason I just want to make sure to give you everything out there. And I feel so overwhelmed about this because I'm sharing all my tricks, tips, everything over here in this video. So watch till end. Like I feel like this is the best. I have like a lot of things in my plate, so that's the reason I couldn't shoot every video. But from now on, I'll be sharing everything and I'll be showing you everything. So that will be a very great chance to. The basic things what you do is like I literally have a laptop on because laptop can help you a lot. In the end of the video you will get to know why laptop is really important. And notes, so taking everything in notes, like taking everything out here, you will get to know the points and you will get to know what's the importance of taking notes. So I feel like this is the best choice. Like take any notes or your favorite notes or any kind of type, and take your favorite pens. You can take highlighters, you can usually use 2 to 3 pens, that's up to you. You can take it and write down all the topics and important things to share, important things to write down on the exam. And most importantly, questions. Yes, questions are really important because you have to read it. But for example, if you don't read the question and if you don't know the answer, is like the basic thing is read a question. That's the main thing. It's a very important. And the final thing is you have to maintain your cozy room. Like you have to maintain a good study table. You can afford it. Like it's totally free of cost. Like it's totally affordable. You can buy it and you can fix it here. And cute water bottle because you cannot be distracted from, like if you are thirsty you have to go out and drink the water bottle. It may cause some distractions, right? So don't do that. And if you don't have a scented candles, you can go with the scented candles because it makes yourself calm and everything. And just meditate before starting this week, starting your studies, and you'll get to know and you will good to go. And yeah, that's it. And finally, Taylor Swift, because I'm a big Swiftie. So yeah, I'm a big Swiftie, and she has, she have changed my life totally. I believe like she taught me everything, the life lessons, everything, like how to overcome aloneness, how to overcome our fears. And she is the best, I think. After our parents, after our God, I would say Taylor Swift has given a great chance to change your life. Why not? And yeah, let's dive into the video and let's get started. And yeah, you can see me as a preparations and also what I studied and what I talked in between, like what I have drank and everything out there. So let's go. So yeah, I feel like I have just a bunch of questions right here and I don't know where to start it, but for me, I go with from like bottom to up. So it's a very easy way. I have a couple of 40 questions, so I just go with 40, 39, 38 like that. So it makes me easier to over all this. So all this time is 3 o'clock right now. It's 2:59 exactly, but by 4 I need to complete 10 questions at least. So I just want to make sure to mind in my mind I have to I have to complete by this. Yes. And yeah, let's get into it. So for the question, I just copied and just pasted on a ChatGPT. So that ChatGPT has a really great benefit that it can give me instant answers, so that it's no worries to find out everywhere. And I also brought another thing like copilot.ai that one of my friends suggested me, and that's also giving me good answers like in a shorter way. So I feel that copilot is one of the greatest way. I'll just mention in the description box and you can go ahead check it over there. And yeah, so I have completed 2 questions, and I have like little more to do. I mean, a lot to do. Oh, it's really hectic. It's so for a So it's my favorite matcha time. So I really had a best choice of choosing matcha because I really love matcha actually. It gives me really refresh moment. So I feel like matcha latte is very a good option for going studies and maintaining a good health. So instead of going for coffee. So I love how it turns green, and it's so cute actually. I really love matcha, and it tastes so good. It has actually a flavors. So for me, I choose vanilla. If you want, you can add some like hazelnut. I have seen in the Starbucks, when I went to Starbucks, they added some hazelnut syrup to get that taste. If you have that syrups, you can add it on it. And right now I have this vanilla, so I just added vanilla and ceremonial grande matcha. It's really good actually. I really love that actually. It's so good, guys. I really love this. Okay, come back to the studies and start doing it so that you can do it. Okay, this is a very small question. I just completed, like, I'll just complete by 2 minutes or 3 minutes. That's it. I don't want to take that much time in this small questions because I have a lot of questions to do. So yeah, let's go in it. Syllabus, like it's totally completed, but I didn't read in depth, but I just completed the basics. What are the important points? So in this lesson I learned what are the main points. So I just want to tell you everything out there. So the first thing is like focus what you're studying. Like if a question is like suppose if you have a question, then what you do is like just type on the chat gpt and you can give what you can write down the everything out there. Just read it everything out there first. The lesson okay, the first thing you do is like after studying the question, after reading the question, then you have to go with the answer. Like just read it what it is about. Just read it. Don't write anything or don't do anything in laptop. Just just study the answer. Just read the answer from top to bottom and write it out. Write it in the notebook what you have understand the topic, like what is the answer saying about. But if you don't have time like me, like if you're having exams around the corner tomorrow like that for example, then do the same thing. What you do is if you don't write down everything and write down the most basic important thing, like for example if you just remember all the side headings, okay, the side headings and the main point, what is it going to say, that's it. And if you want to score high marks a little bit like than others, it's a secret for you. So this is like I feel like high marks, just make sure the highlighted points, like on the highlight points that caught the teacher attention. That means you have to write it like in a with switching pens. Like you can go with a black pen, blue pen, so you can only use 2 pens I think. Black pen, just highlight it, write a star mark and write down the important point and just highlight with the pencil. Then you may get the high marks and you know you'll be appreciated as well. It will be looking so neat and clean. So that's the toppers do actually. And the third one, simple and easy. So if you don't understand the topic about what you're reading, just ask the ChatGPT. Guys, ChatGPT has unlimited source of giving answers, so you can use it very easily, and you can ask as many as question. It never get tired, it never it never takes time, and it gives you in seconds. So don't waste time on another websites. Just use a ChatGPT, or if you want any other website, I'll be sharing all the website in description box, so you can check it out there. The fourth one is you can go with YouTube. So you don't know which website is a very good. So what do you think is, like, if you, for example, if you watch a movie, like, you can remember all the characters, right? So like that, you type, like, if you're having like example, write up, explain this thing with visualization, like with anime characters, then that means it will show you it has the enormous website like that, and you can go through in it, and you can search it, and you can feel like, yes, this is the one which you caught your attention as well. So it may give you a best result, and you can understand very quickly, and you can give it your best. So, and don't forget to make yourself a very calm room and with no one. Like, if you are living in a joint family or something like that, ask them to not disturb you, or go to your room, just relax and just take a 10-minute breath and do meditation and start the work. Trust me, it will give you the best result, and it can focus on your work as well. So I believe in it, and I started like that only, of course. So I know you will ace the exam for your next upcoming exams, and you will do it, my girl. And I love you. And that's all for today. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down what you like in this video, and follow for more. I'll be sharing my Instagram link here, and you can follow me on there. And yeah, let's get more likes. And yeah, that's all for today. And coming next Saturday, I'll be sharing one more cool video, and stay tuned for that. Bye, guys.